Hi guys, welcome to Tea with Topper podcast. So today we have Isha and she scored 110, matlab 110 marks out of 150 in MH Law CT 5 years 2020 exam. 11th and 12th May she taken the science. She is a science student and after then she opt for the Law CT 5 years exam and basically going for the law field. So let's go to the Isha and talk to her and understand her experience with regards to her preparation for CT 5 years and what are the obstacles he came across. Hi Isha,
Hi, sir. Yeah,
congratulations
thank you so much, sir.
for hitting 110 score.
Thank you so much.
So mostly GLC या तो फिर ILS.
Yeah,
Hoping
sir. Hopefully. Yeah,
hopefully.
yeah.
As she's from Bangalore, guys. Open category from Bangalore, Karnataka. So Isha, can you brief me about your background, your academic background?
Yeah, so guys, I was a science student. Like 11, 12 में I took science. Like I chose law because मुझे UPSC करना है basically. So from class
UPSC,
8, I want to join civil services.
civil
So
service.
yeah, so that's why I chose law. And yes, here I am.
So UPSC करना है तो पहले लॉ करेंगे उसके बाद यूपीएससी का एग्जाम.
Yes.
So great because UPSC again बहुत अच्छा scope है. So that is also one good domain you are looking out for. So great.
Yeah, because both the domains like regulating it is for the common good basically. So I like my strengths are likely like it is inclined towards social services. So I do want to serve the society. So that's
Okay,
why I chose.
great. So when you have started your CT preparation, in which month and how was your preparation strategies?
I started in August, seriously. Like I was not planning to give MHCT, but then I was like my father told me to give all the entrance exam because you never know what will happen in the future.
Right.
So that's why I prepared in August. For 1 month, I prepared for it. Then I focused more on CLAT, and after like the results were out, then I focused again on MHCT and gave it my best shot.
Okay. So after getting the result of CLAT, you couldn't manage to hit good score in CLAT and then went for the CET preparation, right?
Yes.
Okay. And finally, CT 110 score. In terms of the obstacle, when you were preparing, which section was difficult and which section you found manageable, easy section?
Yeah. So my weakest section was maths.
Okay,
Yeah.
weakest section was being a science student.
Yes. Yeah, elementary maths was tough for me.
Okay.
And then GK, like static GK, I found it very difficult.
Okay.
So, yeah. So
Right,
in
so
exam
vast.
also, yeah, in exam also my marks were cut in GK and maths, most of them.
GK and maths.
Yeah, and logical reasoning was I found it very easy.
How about the puzzle area of logical reasoning?
Yeah, it was easy. It was easy.
Manageable?
Yeah.
Because this year
Very
puzzle was
manageable.
okay. Because
Yeah.
this year puzzle was bit tougher than the last year compared to. So
Okay. Okay. So like I didn't know about that, but it was easy for me.
okay, it was easy. So what was your daily routine in terms of the preparation?
Yeah, so basically, like MHCT won't be releasing the past year papers and all. So I practice mostly old pattern CLAT paper.
Okay.
The past year CLAT papers I practice a lot. I
Okay.
analyze them, and I have not given a mock for MHCT, but I practiced for CLAT old pattern. So
Okay.
it helped me a lot.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
yeah, one paper I practiced 3 times in a day. So
Okay.
yeah, that was the thing.
That was the something help you in your CET preparation.
Definitely,
You have
yes.
not written any mock test before you went for the
No,
real exam.
no. I
Okay.
wrote only CLAT mock paper. Yeah, CLAT
So
papers. That's it.
okay. So all the aspirants, those who are watching this video, do write mock test. This is what a strong recommendation before you
And
go for the real
basically,
exam.
past year papers.
Past year paper. CT don't release
Yeah,
the past year paper. That is right. But you
yeah,
have a at past year paper. That is okay. So
yeah. Because MHCT is like it's similar to CLAT old pattern, so it will
right.
be very helpful if we do the past year paper.
Okay. Yeah. Great. Great. So what are the mistakes you have done during the exam and before and in terms of your preparation also?
Okay, so mistakes I have done. Okay, I'll admit today. So yeah, so like when I reached in math section, I was very shocked, like how will I do it, because I had only 10 minutes.
Okay.
Last 10 minutes I had, like so I divided the paper in two parts. So
Mhm.
first I'll 70 minutes I'll give to GK, legal and logical, and then no, sorry, GK, legal and English, and 50 minutes to logical and maths. So I
Okay.
completed the first portion very well. Logical, it was time consuming basically.
Yes.
So yeah, so 40 minutes logical, and then 10 minutes for maths. So at like last 10 minutes was little, like I was hurried. So yeah, it went like, it was disastrous in math section.
Maths have a 10 question only. So out of 10
Yeah,
question in 10 minutes, how many question you could have managed to attend?
I solved hardly 4 and 5. Yeah,
Yes.
I solved 4 and 5, and then like guesswork I did, and I
Okay.
submitted the
That
paper.
was
That's it.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And during the preparation, what was the mistake you have done?
During the preparation, I have neglected MHCT exam, and I still regret it, because 110, I was thinking that at least I should, like, I would have scored 120 at least.
So still there is a regret. थोड़ा सा और मेहनत कर लिया होता, थोड़ा सा और
थोड़ा
कर
सा,
लिया तो
बस
काम हो
थोड़ा
जाता
सा.
था.
यस, अभी भी है, लाइक एज में हूँ, बट फिर भी लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
Okay, so all the aspirant, those who are upcoming year aspirant preparing for the CLAT, law CET, Symbiosis, SLAT, and the other law entrance examination, what tips you want to give them?
For them, it's basically your time management during the 2 hours which you are
Right,
giving. It's
right,
you and the paper. That's it. You just have to solve the question in front of your screen. That's it. Don't think any like any other question. You are like facing some difficulty in any other question. Like next question क्या होगा, या उसके पहले मुझे नहीं आया. Don't think like that. Just solve that question. But time management is very important. I
correct.
manage my time because I divided the part, like in two sections, I divided the paper. So you have to stick to the time which you have allotted to each of the sections. That's it, I want to say. And please don't ever give up during the examination. Like नहीं होगा, like अगर लीगल मेरा गंदा गया है तो आप लोग सोचोगे कि नहीं अब तो पूरा पेपर ही चला गया. डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. यू नेवर नो, लाइक लॉजिकल कभी इजी आ जाए, कभी मैथ्स इजी आ जाए.
So this
So
is what the very good point said by then ईशा, that एक सेक्शन अगर थोड़ा सा बिगड़ गया है तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरा पेपर बिगड़ गया है.
yes,
Still you have a time. If you are not able to perform in particular section, but still you have a other section to perform. So just leave those questions which you are not able to attempt in particular section, go for the other area. तो ये अपन last moment पे basically ये सब mistakes avoid करनी है, which done by the people who
yes.
go for the exams, which shouldn't be happen basically. That's it, guys. Thank you, Isha, sharing your experience, and so this will be a kind of helpful for the people who will be upcoming year aspirant. Bye bye, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much and welcome.